So about a month ago, I did a little tour of the new native plants that I have growing in my gardens. I thought it might be helpful to do another update tour just to show you how the plants are growing over time so you can better design your gardens with these native plants in mind. So here is our New England Aster a month later. It really hasn't done too much, but we have lots of time until it is expected to bloom in the late summer. So we are not too worried. It is looking pretty happy. This is the Spiderwort, and it's doing really well. You can see that I am trying to grow some native plants in this little patch of lily of the valley and this stinking forest of garlic mustard. So I'm trying, and I'm going to try to chop some of this nasty stuff down and pull some of this stuff out. But this is what I'm trying to replace things with, some more native plants in this area. Here's our beebalm. It is looking a lot bigger than a month ago, so it is doing really well. I just gave it a little bit more soil and we'll be mulching it soon, so it should be happy in its home here in my little garden. So the blanket flower hasn't done too much in the last month, but it is looking really healthy, and we're not expecting it to bloom until early summer, so it's still May, so we got lots of time. Our trilliums are blooming. It looks like we might only get one bloom this year, but I am happy anyhow because our 2 trilliums have grown to be about 5 at least. So I'm really happy to see them spreading, and I would be so happy to see them just take over this area in the back of my home. So here we have the Foamflower a month later, and it is doing much better. Look at how nice and green the leaves are. And you can see that we have little stalks with little bloom heads growing on them. So I'm hoping to see some beautiful blooms in the next couple weeks. It should be blooming by June. Here are the strawberries. They've definitely spread over the past month. My daughter seemed to think that she found a strawberry a little while ago, but it is early May, and maybe she did, or maybe she is making up stories. I haven't seen any myself or any flowers yet, but we are just letting it do its thing because it seems happy in the garden, and it's spreading its way kind of all along the fence, and we're just going to let it be happy. It seems to be a good ground cover and not really causing any problems, just adding some flowers and some color to the garden. Here is the butterfly weed. It is only about 1 inch or 2 tall right now, and really I'm not too worried. It's going to get nice and big over the next couple of weeks and months, and it's going to start blooming in the mid to late summer, so not worried. It's going to have lots of beautiful blooms this year. I'm sure of it. Here is the obedient plant. It is about 3 or 4 inches tall right now, and in a couple of weeks it'll be about 3 or 4 feet tall. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video interesting. I do plan on putting together another little tour every single month this year just to show you how these plants grow over time. So consider subscribing and stay tuned, and please give the video a like if you thought this was helpful, and thank you so much for watching.